Honorable judges, respected all audience, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's say thanks to Allah, the Almighty, who has given us grace and guidance. Secondly, my salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who had guided us from the darkness until the lightness as we feel today. Hi guys, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Saskia Noerdjialova. I am from Smkn to Banjar. I wanna tell you a story of my dream. Friends, everyone at a young age must have been very familiar with the word dreams. Dreams or ideals. At the time, we were often asked by teachers, "What is your goal?" Of course, we will know the answer. My goal is to become a doctor, police officer, and others. As well as my friends, when I was asked, "What is your goal, Saskia?" So I know the answer. My dream of becoming a policewoman. But over time, it turns out that my little dream is too expensive, too far to achieve. Why? Because my learning steps have gone off track. Technically, if I want to become a policewoman, the education I have to take is a police academy, not a vocational high school. That's not all, my friends. There are many factors. That I couldn't possible go through so that I could achieve that dream. Know that I'm not an elementary school kind anymore. The more I know and understand, it turns out that there must be many supporting factors that cause it. And now, I'm not too obsessed with my little dreams. No, I just want to be a successful person. That's my dream now. I just want to be a successful person. If I become an entrepreneur, then I want a successful entrepreneur. And if I become an employee, then I want to be a successful employee. Okay, that's all my dream. Thank you very much for your attention. See you and last. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.